Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing a taste testing of Carlo Bakery's 8 most popular cake. And we'll show you guys. Oh yeah, this is my brother Sam. I'm just going to show you the cake. Show them.
I think this is like a chocolate cake.
Got some red velvet,
rainbow, a lot of rainbows.
Another chocolate. Yeah, look at this. This is super cute. Definitely free for this month because of Pride Month. And then carrot cake. I'm really excited for this one. I haven't had it in years. And first, we're gonna try this chocolate. So we just got a piece.
It's kind of weird cutting a piece out of a piece of cake. Like, how do you cut it?
Can I see your fork? This looks so good. Wait.
Okay, we're not gonna get the frosting. Oh, never mind.
Yeah, we will. This is such a weird slice, but I still want to save some for everybody. Okay. I love chocolate.
It's very creamy and thick.
Very rich. I love this one.
I like the cream.
So good.
Yeah, it's very good.
Kind of tastes like Oreo.
Yeah, it's very dense and thick. I'd probably give this maybe like a 7 out of 10. What would you give it?
9, because it's very good. But yeah, I don't want to give all of them a 10 yet.
Good, but yeah. Try next.
This one looks really good. Sprinkles. I don't think I've ever had rainbow cake.
I wonder if it's gonna be like fruity or if it's just like dye. It's probably just dye.
Yeah, it's dye. Delicious. Oh shit. That'll be yours.
Thanks. Probably must have taken a while to make, because you have to make every single layer.
Yeah. I like this one. Kind of,
just like a vanilla cake.
yeah, I was about to say that.
Just the colors. Like if I blindfold myself, I'm just eating vanilla cake. They didn't add any extra flavor.
I mean, that's what the food coloring is about.
Yeah.
It's good. I give this a 6.
Yeah, I give
It's
like
very cute though.
I give it like a 4. The cream is really sweet. I'd say a little too sweet. But overall, pretty good for presentation. So Kayla, do you want to tell them how we got the cakes?
Oh yeah. So for my confirmation, both my aunts sent me this, and I'm so excited. And it's perfect because I love Carlo's Bakery.
Yeah, it came in a giant box and none of us knew what it was.
I thought it was a stool for my vanity because my chair broke, but it had dry ice in it, which is cool.
Oh yeah, because it's all the way from New Jersey, so they gotta.
Yeah.
All right.
Ready?
Yep.
I've missed that taste. That's really good. Yeah, cream cheese frosting.
Yeah. This one's also kind of really wet. There's little chunks of carrot in it, but it's a lot of cinnamon in it.
I think there's like hazelnuts or some sort of nut in it, but it's really good.
I really like the cream though.
Yeah, it's not too sweet.
Yeah, it's a good balance.
Whoops, I just got some in my hair.
I'd give this like a 8 out of 10.
Me too. 8. Oh my god, this is also so sweet.
Yeah. I like.
Oh wow, this is such a small. I'll give that to you. I bet it's gonna be cream cheese frosting too.
Very vibrant.
Ooh. Ooh, it's a little bitter.
I like it.
Mmm. See, it doesn't taste like chocolate. That's what's good.
I'm not tasting much. It doesn't really taste like anything.
It's very like not too much sweet.
And it tastes like a cheesecake.
That's what I was thinking.
Because-
That's probably the cream cheese.
Yeah, it's a cream cheese sauce. It's okay. It doesn't the red? I don't taste that much red velvet flavor. But it's probably like
Ooh,
what?
it's very cream cheese.
Oh. All right. I give this like a.
I'm kind of tired of eating.
I give this like a 5 out of 10.
You have to be in the mood though. This was like I give this a 7. Tired.
Well, it's like a birthday cake.
And then I'm gonna need another cake. I made another plate. Yeah, that's just. I think that's just a confetti cake. Those are good. That's gonna be that simple.
Well, do you like this, like the confetti cheesecake at Cheesecake Factory?
Ooh, yummy. Yeah. I'm just gonna cut a small piece.
Yeah, I'll give you like half this. All right.
Mmm.
Well, that's good.
Ooh,
Very classic tasting.
that's a 10.
I feel like I would really never rate.
That's the perfect yellow vanilla.
I feel like I'd never really rate anything 10 because 10 is like the best food. It's like
Well, this is the best cake. It's delicious.
I've had better cake. I give this like a 7.5.
I have more of a sweet tooth than him. No, this time, whoa,
It's like a
chocolate mama.
chocolate mama.
In my New York vlog, I visited Carlo's Bakery in Times Square. That's where this mug is from. My mom wanted to show it. Oh shoot, my mom's taking a picture. I'm just gonna.
Let's just take it with a fork. This knife is too much.
Mmm. Very rich.
I need a glass of milk with this. Just chocolate. First name chocolate.
That's really good. That tastes like a nice chocolate.
Middle name chocolate. last
This is
name
a
chocolate.
9.
I'd say I give it.
I bet this is flourless chocolate cake.
I give it like a.
Good.
I give this an 8. It's very good and moist.
Ooh.
Okay, let's do this one.
Sam. I'll get some the three colors. Red, orange, yellow. We got green, blue, purple. This is just the chocolate version of the other one.
Yeah, it just tastes exactly the same.
It's okay. I give this a 6.
5. Alright, what do we have?
Last one, my favorite one. I'll show you. It's very pretty. My favorite color. Look at. It's like pastel-y. It's like a unicorn cake. This is what a unicorn cake looks like. I bet you me editing this will make me hungry.
And then you'll just go back to the fridge. Be like, is that what that tasted like? Alright, you can take first. It smells like strawberries. Just
This
from,
is
like,
so pretty. Like, yummy. Oh, raspberry. Mmm. That's good though.
Yeah, that's really good.
Ooh.
The raspberry frosting. Is very
It tastes artificial. Artificial means fake, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's very tart, which I like because I like raspberry.
It's different. I've
flavored
never
stuff.
had something like this. I give this a 7.8.
I give this a 9. This is the best one.
Oh.
That's really good.
Okay, I think that's it for this video. probably gonna go watch some Curb Your Enthusiasm with my dad. I love that show. And which one was your favorite?
Definitely the Raspberry Rainbow. What about yours?
It's hard to pick.
Which chocolate?
Oh, this one was definitely good. I think this was the same cake I had for my birthday. I think it was maybe my 10th birthday. We got one when we went to New York. We brought it home. This tasted very familiar. So I really like this chocolate one. The other one was kind of too rich for me.
Familiar.
Anyways, thanks for watching.